tayo. Ubag, maybe can we have our contact tayo dito? Up to here. Spread out here. Please. Parents of these things, please join me. Lady girl. Okay. I'd like to request all the guardians or the relatives, mommies and daddies, for the mom or dad, join the meeting.